I'm Helen McMahon for Expert Village. We're continuing our long brownie project here. All of the ingredients are now mixing together in this bowl, and we just want to scrape down the sides one more time to help them combine properly before they go into the pan. One final swirl, and then the next step will be to put them in the pan. This recipe requires a 9 by 13 rectangular baking pan, and there are many types. Sometimes people will use a glass pan similar to a lasagna pan, in which case you lower the temperature about 25 degrees for the glass. This is a professional baking pan. It has a non-stick surface, and there are markings here so that you know exactly where to cut the lines. Now, there are two ways that you can do this, although it's non-stick. In order to make sure that the brownies will come out easily, you can either use the paper that the butter or margarine came in to grease it, or you can use some spray of this sort. Either one will work very well. It doesn't need a great deal of grease if you have this kind of pan, but you do want the brownies to come out easily, so a little bit should give you a very nice product.